It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, I'm going to be making some custom press-on nails. So I have my nails here. And for this one, I'm going to do an ombre. I'm going to use these three colors here. I have the hollow pink, the sapphire, and the red. Okay, so I do have on some of the red. Of course, I'm in the process of taking these off so that I can put these on. Okay, so for this set, I'm going to take them off of here, apply my base, which is my step number one. I'm going to apply that, and then I'm going to do the ombre method with these three colors. So this is the hollow pink. I'm going to show you all what they look like. So for the sugar skull look, we're doing a purple, blue, and red look. The hair is going to be purple, blue, and red. The nails are going to be purple, blue, and red, and so forth. Okay, and the makeup is going to be everything, so make sure that you guys watch those videos. So I have my three colors set up, and I'm going to be using these brushes here. So I'm going to go in with my base, and I'm going to be adding purple rhinestones and everything, y'all. So this is going to be super cute. So I'm going to paint all over the nail. And with these press-ons, I like to paint it forwards and backwards, just to make sure that we get over that edge good. So I'm tapping into the product, and then I'm just kind of shaking it, like tapping on the brush, so that it can gently fall onto the nail, into that base. And the purple has some shimmer to it. So of course, when doing this, you want to move pretty fast. So I'm gonna try to be quicker this time. I feel like I'm on a race, like I'm on a game show. Okay, it's doing a little something. It is the next day, y'all. Time to finish these nails on up. Oh, and a sneak peek to a video that's coming soon. But this is what the nails are looking like so far. So time to finish them up. Okay, so now it is time to take our sugar skull nails and cap them. So I'm going to go in with my base coat and I'm going to cap them in this clear. This is the same clear that I used to cap the breast cancer awareness nails. Not for any special reason other than the fact that I have a lot of it and it's new. I haven't used it yet. So I wanted to give it a go. And instead of trying to pour over and all of that, because this container is so big, I can literally just sit the nails in here and keep going. You just want to tap it, give it a little shake, but you don't want to dust it off just yet because you want that powder to set up. Now for these nails, I'm only doing one coat to cap. But of course you can do 2 or however many you like. And speaking of that, I might just go ahead and do 2. So you're only going to see this one layer that I'm doing, but I'm going to cap it twice. And then after I'm done capping it twice, I'm going to go in with the activator and I'm doing 2 coats of activator. Alright, so to shape the nail, I'm going to go in with my Tammy Taylor peel and stick. Then I'm going to make sure that I hit the top of it. Make sure it's not any lumps or bumps or anything. After I smooth that out, I'm going to go in with a buffer. Going to remove the excess dust. Now it is time to go in with step 2, which is our activator. When that activator dries, you want to remove the excess activator and then you want to go in with your top coat, which is step number 3. So the first layer of top coat, you want to do it quickly, okay? And you want to let that dry a little bit. Then you want to go in after that dries. It's not going to be as shiny, but when you go in with that second coat, that's what's going to give you the shine, okay? So for these, or any nails, if you want to just stop here after the top coat step, you can. But I'm going to do some stamping and add some rhinestones and all of that. So I want my top coat nice and shiny before I go on to those next steps. Okay, time for the nail art. So I got these from Maniology. It's a smudge-free top coat and the sticky base coat. So I think I want to try these with my stamping for today. So I think these have been primed. So I'm just going to go over it with a very sticky lint roller, apparently. So for the stamping, I'm going to use this plate here. I'm going to use this flower design, and I'm going to be adding some purple rhinestones. I got this from the Dollar Tree like forever ago, many years ago, and it has like a pin on one end and the rhinestones on the other one, and I think you can even brush it on here. So great, multi-purpose product. So I'm going to use some of these rhinestones in this set, and to put the rhinestones on, I'm going to use this for rhinestones only. I picked this up from Sally's Beauty Supply. So if you don't know about stamping, then basically you apply the polish to the plate. From there you scrape it Then you press the stamper on it to pick up that, you know, print or whatever. And then you press it onto the nail. So I see a lot of people on YouTube, especially using stamps the wrong way. They're pressing too hard. They're, you know, doing all of these other things that's not going to help it stick. So I just applied this sticky base coat. So I'm going to let that dry or get tacky or whatever. This is my first time using these products, so I'm not really familiar with them. I have been stamping perfectly without them. So we're just going to see if they can help. So to prime your stamper, you can clean it with soap and water. And I think this has been primed. I'm honestly not sure. Priming it just helps it pick up better. So we're gonna see which one works. So this is the design that I'm gonna be using, and I'm gonna be using this black stamping polish. Now, one thing that I hope this comes in handy for is for after you stamp it. I'm probably gonna let it dry overnight, but sometimes when you clear cap your stamping, it will like remove the polish, especially if you're using black. So hopefully that will help me with that. For your scraper, you can pretty much use anything. Most kits come with a stamper. Come with a stamper and a scraper, but I have seen people use business cards, debit cards, whatever. So it's really up to you as far as what you scrape it with. But when you scrape it, you want to make sure that you're just laying it on there and scraping, okay? You don't want to scrape it over and over again, because that's going to cause that polish to dry. So I think I want this design to be kind of in the center of the nail, like that. We're going to try it out and see. I'm just, you know, making this up as I go along. I put a few things together that I knew that I wanted, but for the most part, we're just making this up. So I'm just going to put a little bit. You don't want to cover the whole thing, and that wasn't enough. So I'm just going to add a little bit more. And let's see if this is primed. Oh, yep. See, it picked it up. Great. So I'm going to put this on the pinky. And, oh, I cannot see through this one. So this might not work. Okay, so on the pinky nail, I'm just going to roll it on the side of the pinky nail. And it looks like that. So that's pretty. So yeah, this one is primed and ready to go. Only thing is I can't see through it. So I'm going to switch to this one, because I can see through this. And that is a new stamper, by the way. I was really excited to use it. I thought I was going to be able to see through it, but I see that I'm not. And I get my lint rollers from the Dollar Tree. See how you can see through that? Oh, that is so pretty. So on this thumbnail, let's do it right here in the middle of the nail. That might be cute. So yeah, that's kind of different. And I think I'm going to only do this on one more, because I want some of them to still have, you know, that regular design. And I'm just putting this polish on here any kind of way, y'all. But as you can see, it's working. So for this one, I'm going to put this on the tip. I hope y'all can see that. Like that. And I believe that's all I'm going to do for the stamping. I wanted the black flowers to kind of bring in some darkness, since it is a sugar skull look. but I didn't want that purple, blue, and red to be completely covered up. So I'm using some acetone to clean my scraper and everything, and this is why I hate using the black polish. It's so pretty and pigmented, but trying to get it off is just like, oh my god. You definitely want to make sure that you're cleaning your plates. Now it is time to add some rhinestones. So on the ones that have the black on it, I think I'm going to do 1 rhinestone in the cuticle, and on the other ones I think I'm going to do a little bit more. So in true YouTube fashion, the footage of me placing the rhinestones got deleted somehow, so I will have to show you guys that in another video, and how I use that product that I got from Sally's to do it. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this finished look. I can't wait to put these nails on and film the makeup look for you guys. Make sure you remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next video.
It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.